Hey guys, Power Ranger Anthony here from the Power Ranger Anthony channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Pokemon TCG Pikachu V Shiny FATES box.
Right. So if you just tuned in, you're watching Power Ranger Anthony.
Let's get into it.
Let's do it. Now you get to hear the...
A lot of people have been hitting that Charizard out of this.
Really? Will we get the Charizard?
What do you get out of this? Let's see. 4 packs.
Always, well, the main event, but the main event must move
What do you
aside.
want? What do you want first?
Let's see. Well, we gotta save the Charizards for last. So let's do Dragapult first, and then Charizard next. So we get a big card. Jumbo card of the Pikachu.
We like our jumbo cards.
Then we have the promo. It's not jumbo. The promo that's not jumbo.
Just throw that over there. Ugh. Alright, 4 packs, so this will go pretty quick.
Yeah. Quick video, short video, doesn't matter as long as we get that sweet, sweet Charizard.
We've had better luck with 4 packs than we have with the whole ETB.
Yeah. Plus, we won't know if we get a hit because all the cards are white. Fire Energy. All the code cards, I mean. Rusted Sword. Floatzel.
Floatzel.
Dartrix.
One of my favorites.
Eevee. Gossifleur. I think that's easier than shiny. Yanma. It's not my Lord and Savior. We have Cufant. We have...
Oh, this is reverse.
Reverse Galarian Weezing. And... Manaphy Regular Rare. Oof. Toxic City. My personal favorite Pokemon.
We don't do good with those packs, do we?
The Dragapult packs?
Yeah.
What do you mean? We got pulls on each Dragapult pack during their pack battle.
Or was it Toxicity that we didn't get nothing
It
on?
was Toxicity that we didn't get nothing on.
Let's change that right here.
Psychic Energy. Rusted Sword.
I've got so many of those.
Gym Trainer. Thwacky.
Thwack, thwack.
Trapinch. Weasel. Coughing. Shinx. Grookey. Ball Guy Reversed. And Galarian Weezing Hollow? Hollow Galarian Weezing? Is that Hollow?
Yeah, hollow. We got the hollow and the reverse hollow. No.
Okay, we're gonna do a little lucky shake.
Magic. There's magic in this pack?
Wow. If there was a bad card in there, Magic just swapped it out with the Charizard. Hopefully. Electric Energy. Luxio.
Need that for my deck.
Dartrix. Rusted Shield. Weasel. Coughing. And Chinks. I see something shiny. Grookey. Trapinch. Shinx Reverse. And the regular rare.
Things are rude.
But we're gonna try again anyway. Wow. I'm gonna do a little thing from Key first. Alright, Lucky! Water energy. Team Yell Towel. Tropius. Gym Trainer. Coffee. Morpeko. Horsey. Spinnerack.
We gotta finish this on a good note.
Rowlet.
What did I tell you I wanted to get?
Can't remember. Oh! Toxicity VMAX!
Shiny!
Shiny!
Toxicity VMAX. And... what? Come on.
Oh,
Really?
that's still a good pull, though.
Great pull. Look at that. That's beautiful.
So, yeah. That's all for today's video. Even though it was pretty short, there is our little haul. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, and the second channel. Power Ranger Anthony, signing out. Go, go Power Rangers.
That's right. So if you just tuned in, you're watching Power